The most powerful person in the room is usually the quietest, not the loudest, not the fastest speaker, the one who speaks the least. And this has nothing to do with personality. It's about how communication works today. If you understand this, your English will instantly sound more confident. I'm Eric, and this is English for the Modern World, where psychology, technology, and AI meet clear, powerful English. Let's break this down. The wrong idea about speaking. A lot of English learners believe this. If I speak more, I sound better. So they talk more, explain more, fill silence, respond quickly. That feels like confidence. However, in modern communication, it often has the opposite effect. What loud communication does. When you speak too much, your message gets diluted. Your key ideas get buried. People stop listening. Your words lose weight. Example. So, what I'm thinking is that maybe we could try something different because there are a few options and I think it might be useful to explore. People are already gone. Now compare. We should try a different approach. This is short, clear, strong. Why quiet people sound powerful. Quiet speakers often do three things better. 1. They don't rush to speak. They pause, they think, then they speak. That pause does something important. It signals control. Instead of reacting quickly, they respond carefully. In English, that feels confident. 2. They say less but mean more. Quiet communicators don't fill space. They choose their words. Example, weak. I just wanted to explain a little bit about what I was thinking. Strong. Here's my point. This is fewer words, stronger impact. 3. They create contrast. If you talk all the time, your words lose value. If you speak less, people pay attention when you do speak. This is one of the most important ideas in communication. Attention follows contrast. Silence creates contrast. The modern world shift. This matters even more today because communication is happening in meetings, Zoom calls, messages, emails, fast conversations. People don't have patience for long explanations. They want clarity, direction, decisions. The person who delivers that clearly sounds more powerful. Real life examples. Let's compare again. Example 1, meeting. Weak. So, I was thinking that maybe we could possibly move forward with this idea, although there are a few things we might need to consider. Strong. We should move forward with this. We can adjust the details later. Example 2, opinion. Weak. I'm not completely sure, but I kind of feel like this might not be the best option. Strong. I don't think this is the best option. Example 3, suggestion. Weak. I just wanted to suggest that maybe we could try a different direction if that works for everyone. Strong. Let's try a different direction. Same people, same idea, different communication style. What this means for your English. This is the key shift. Power in English does not come from more words. It comes from timing, clarity, restraint. You don't need to speak more. You need to speak better. Important balance. Now, let's be clear. This does not mean say nothing, avoid speaking, be passive. It means don't speak just to fill space. Speak when you have something clear to say. That's the difference. Section 8. Simple rules to practice. If you want to sound more powerful in English, Rule 1. Pause before you speak. Even 1-2 seconds makes a difference. Rule 2. Say the point first. Don't build up to it. Lead with it. Rule 3. Cut unnecessary words. Remove just, maybe, kind of, sort of. Rule 4. Let silence exist. Silence is not a problem. It's a tool. Final idea. The loudest voice is not the strongest. The clearest voice is. And very often, that voice belongs to the quietest person in the room. If you want to sound more confident in English, don't chase more words. Focus on better ones. I'm Eric. Keep improving. I'll see you in the next one.